What is the quadratic formula used for in mathematics? Have you ever wondered how to solve a quadratic equation? Well, the quadratic formula is the key to unlocking those solutions. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. A quadratic equation is any equation that can be expressed as x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, a, b, and c are numbers, and importantly, a cannot be 0. The goal is to find the values of that make this equation true. Now, the quadratic formula itself is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus for a c, all divided by 2a. The plus or minus symbol indicates that there are usually two solutions, one for addition and one for subtraction. This formula is incredibly useful because not all quadratic equations can be solved by factoring. When you apply the quadratic formula, it works for every quadratic equation, no matter if it can be factored or not. It also gives you important information about the nature of the roots through something called the discriminant, which is the expression b squared minus for a c. If the discriminant is positive, you will find two distinct real roots. If it equals 0, there is exactly one real root, which means the root is repeated. If the discriminant is negative, the roots are complex numbers, which include imaginary numbers. Understanding the quadratic formula is essential in algebra because quadratic equations pop up in many real-life situations. For instance, if you want to calculate the path of a ball being thrown, the quadratic formula can help you find that trajectory. It is also useful in physics and engineering when you need to find maximum or minimum values. Additionally, it can assist in modeling areas and optimizing designs. By mastering the quadratic formula, students gain a reliable method to solve any quadratic equation. This knowledge lays a strong foundation for tackling more advanced topics in mathematics and science. So, the next time you encounter a quadratic equation, remember that the quadratic formula is your go-to tool for finding those solutions. It simplifies the process and opens up a world of possibilities in mathematics.